Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how iPhone 17 is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this. Have you ever wondered how the iPhone 17 is actually made? Not just designed, but physically built, piece by piece, inside a massive modern factory. From tiny microchips, smaller than a fingernail, to a perfectly sealed smartphone ready to ship worldwide, today, we're taking you inside the factory to see how it all happens. This is not science fiction. This is real, high-tech manufacturing happening at incredible speed. Modern smartphone factories are huge, clean, and highly automated. Inside these facilities, robots and humans work together with extreme precision. The air is filtered, the floors are spotless, and every movement is carefully controlled. Even a tiny mistake could affect the final product, so accuracy is everything. The process starts with the core of the phone, the internal components. Advanced robotic arms place the processor, memory, and microchips onto the main circuit board. These robots work faster than the human eye can follow, placing parts with microscopic accuracy. Every connection must be perfect. Next comes the camera system. High-resolution camera modules are installed using precision machines to ensure perfect alignment. This step is critical because even the smallest error could affect photo quality. After installation, the cameras are tested immediately. Then, the display is attached. The screen is carefully bonded to the phone's body under controlled pressure and temperature. At the same time, speakers, vibration motors, and internal sensors are added to the device. Each phone moves smoothly along the conveyor belt to the next station. Now comes human inspection. Inside clean rooms, trained workers check the phones closely. They look for dust, alignment issues, or cosmetic imperfections. Only devices that meet strict quality standards move forward. After that, the iPhone goes through software testing. The phone is powered on, buttons are tested, cameras are checked, and connectivity is verified. If anything isn't perfect, the phone is removed from the line for correction. Once approved, the phone is ready for packaging. It's cleaned, sealed, and placed into its box, along with accessories and documentation. Boxes are stacked, labeled, and prepared for global shipping. From here, millions of phones are sent to stores around the world. And that's how the iPhone 17 goes from a factory assembly line to your hands. A perfect blend of robotics, human skill, and advanced technology. If you enjoyed this behind